Assalamu alaikum. We are here in Al city, where huge numbers of displaced people from different places in Gaza Strip have been evacuated here to this city. And today we are here in one of these camps in this city, distributing food parcels from Alkhidmat Foundation, Pakistan. These food parcels are for people who live in miserable situation in these tents. Thanks for Alkhidmat Foundation, Pakistan, who has successfully managed to ship and send these food parcels from Egypt to Gaza. And we would like to thank all the donors for their donations. And we would like to inform you that Gaza is still in need for your help to rebuild the houses, schools, hospitals and mosques. Thank you again for your donations, and thanks for Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan.
خدمة باكستان اللي قدمت لنا اليوم طرد الغذائي هذا، واحنا في أسر نازحة يعني أماكن الإيواء هذه، ولكم جميع الشكر يا رب.
السلام عليكم. أنا بشكر مؤسسة خدمة باكستان على الطرود الغذائية اللي اليوم ساعدونا فيها، بارك الله فيهم. نتمنى يستمروا بالعطاء، جزاك الله كل خير.